Thank you so much for having me here. It's a pleasure. My name is Shaista Ahmed and I run the channel for emerging markets at Nutanix. Emerging market is basically the Middle East, Turkey, Levant, South Africa and East and West Africa. I think GITEX is a great platform for all vendors, to showcase their technologies, the innovations and what's new, the latest and the greatest. At Nutanix this year we are focusing on four key themes. One being the hybrid multi-cloud, because we started with HCI, the pioneers, when we launched Nutanix way back in 2011. Yeah. And since then, the journey has been moving towards cloud and then hybrid cloud and now hybrid multi-cloud. So that's one of the key things that we are showcasing today, how we can help customers and partners in their cloud journey. The second thing is AI and automation. I think that's top of mind for most of the customers and partners today. So we want to make sure that we help customers and partners navigate through the AI journey with ease using Nutanix. Yeah. The third thing that we are showcasing is NKP. That's the Nutanix Kubernetes platform. This is the latest launch that we've made. This was announced in August this year. And this basically facilitates customers to manage all their containers, the workloads that's running on containers. The management of that can be done through NKP. So customers who are interested in that should stop by our booth to know more. And the fourth thing that we want to highlight is the migration. In the wake of the way things have happened in the past with all acquisitions and changes that have happened, we want to give the customer the freedom of choice, to choose the technology that they want to go with. And for that, Nutanix wants to ensure that the customers have the flexibility to migrate workloads from their existing infrastructure or a 3-tier infrastructure to Nutanix. So we have multiple tools, resources available, and of course a very strong professional services team within Nutanix and in the partner ecosystem who can help the customers in this journey. I think the channel partners, especially now, are facing a lot of challenges. Some of the key things that come to mind, the first thing would be the competition in the market. The competition is really, really high. The tech landscape is changing by the minute. So the partners need to make sure that their strategies are agile enough to align with the demands, and they are having an edge. So they need to work with solutions such like Nutanix, where it gives them the edge when it comes to AI, when it comes to automation, when it comes to hybrid multi-cloud, or running cloud-native applications. So the partners need to make sure that they go with technologies that give them the edge. I think that's the first thing. The second thing is, there's very heavy margin pressure today in the market on the partners because there's so much competition. Now, to support this, I think what Nutanix has done really well is the Elevate Partner Program that we have launched, which focuses not only on developing the competencies, because that's key to build the technical expertise within the partner ecosystem, but also at the same time, we want to make sure that the partner is profitable. So the Elevate Partner Program allows the partner to get a very healthy rebate, which allows them to make good margin and make the business healthy and profitable. I think Nutanix is on the track of solidifying our offerings when it comes to hybrid multi-cloud. Of course, the key focus remains on automation, AI, on developing our Kubernetes platform, and of course also on sustainability. I think reducing the carbon footprint is becoming very key for most of the enterprises in the region. And we are also focusing on ensuring that we build greener data centers and reduce the carbon footprint. I think we are working with a lot of partners in the region. I think Nutanix has a set of loyal partners who believe in the value of Nutanix, and they are working with us. But the key things that I would like to highlight to the partners today, if you want to be successful with Nutanix, is one, we are focusing on developing the technical expertise of the partners. That means we want them to be a true extension of Nutanix. We want to focus on making sure that they have the ability to go out and position our value to the end customers. Second thing is that we want them to work more towards educating the end customers giving them the freedom of choice. Nutanix can work with the partners today to do specific technical boot camps or technical trainings to educate them about the market trends, what's new, what's happening, and how we as Nutanix can support them in this journey of digital transformation or AI and automation. The third thing I'd like to highlight is the access to the partner portal that the partners should do. It's one source that can give them all information related to the product, the new things that are happening with Nutanix, the rebates, everything that a partner would need to be successful is available on our partner portal. And also we have launched something called the Partner Demand Center. I really encourage our partners to go and use the resources available on the Partner Demand Center, where we can run test drives, we can run campaigns for the partners with the end customers. I think we have great resources available today for the partners, which I think they should leverage. And also most important thing to keep in mind is, I think, the Gartner report that was released just last week, where we spoke about Nutanix being a leader when it comes to distributed hybrid infrastructure. So we are making the change. We are the change. So I want the customers and partners to recognize, our vision when it comes to hybrid multi-cloud and join us in this journey to be successful.